Hey, good morning, guys. This is Simon with Trade and Perform Coaching. Wanted to just take a minute to cover the algo setup at the beginning of London. Sometimes all you need is one trade, right? So right over here in the corner, we have that pink bar is a no supply, no demand bar. Right, the pink and the purple are the same algo, and what we're looking for is an apex trade. So that's the apex of the turn. You can see that draw a little triangle on top of it, apex, right? So you have two apexes here. We can pick the higher of the two. If you look over to the right, it gets stopped out over here. So this bar stopped it out. And then what we wanted it to do was close back in with either a star, uh, a bar with a star on it, which is this, a bar with a speed bar, which is the yellow and the light blue are speed bars. So in this case, we wanted a down bar, so it's yellow, and or a triangle down, right? So if you look at that, we erase all this. Put a line across the top. You can see right there, if we make that really big, that um, the speed bar closed back in. So then the next question is, well, what's the release of this bar? What's the downside? So what we use is the algos to also tell us where the bar will be released, which is the algos are a powerful symbol of which way the market's trading. So I want to see where the market's going to get released from. And what I'm looking for is so this is phase two, right? I'm either looking for a triangle, a down speed bar, in this case because I'm looking short, so I want it to point in the direction that I want it to trade, or a bar with a star on it, right? So the bar that has the highest little white line across here, which is the point of control, that's what I'm looking for. So in this case, and preferably something that has not been tested. Again, something that has not been tested is preferable. You can use the same bar twice, but it's best if it's on the first. So we're going to go on this bar right here with the star. So it got stopped out. We closed back into this no supply, no demand, and then the release comes. I'm going to put a little yellow line. Okay, so why is the release important? Because if I'm short over here on this bar, I have a stop 1 point above that bar, I want to know where I can leave my trailer, right? So what I found in the room, the reason we introduced this was a lot of people were closing out the entire position right there. And why wouldn't they? Because that's $200 a contract, maybe even $300 or $400 a contract. But that point of control getting underneath this point of control tells me that I'm about to get a lot more money and to put a halt on my trade in terms of closing it because I have a big extension. And in this case, if you like to make money, that was your trade right after, a little bit after London Open. And to this point, your entry would have been roughly, let's just call it 65, right? 15,165. And it's rolled all the way down to 76. So almost, not quite, $2,000, $1,800 a contract. So that's my algo setup 2 minutes there, guys. And let's get our brains and our thought processes geared towards making money, staying on process, collecting the P&L, and getting through this day, and then going and doing what you enjoy once you got your P&L in the pocket and going on about our business. So if you'd like to join us in the TnP team, simply send an email to the email address tradingperform@gmail.com at the beginning of the video. Very clearly, the room is $95 per month if you just want to visit the room, see my screens and the live market commentary. If you want the algos on your desktop for Sierra chart, it is $250 per month. That also includes access to the room, team coaching sessions, and live market commentary. Hope everyone has a great day. Let's hit it, guys.